Welcome back. Today we are going to be talking about how your genetic family history affects your health and your health risks. If you have watched my snack series, you know that you have a huge influence on your risk for developing these diseases based on your lifestyle and your eating choices. It's really important to be informed about the diseases that run in your family so you are empowered to make choices about which foods you should be eating to help prevent them. So, the chronic diseases that run in my family are Alzheimer's and dementia, heart disease and high cholesterol, colon and breast cancer, and then the women in my family have some weird skin issues that are related to our hormones. So I needed information about what specific foods within a plant-based diet gave me an extra boost of protection. That information for me was found in Dr. Michael Greger's book, How Not to Die. In that book, he goes through all of the major chronic diseases that affect Americans today and what the research is showing about what specific foods are protective and help you prevent developing these diseases. So it's really important to do your research. I recommend listening to his book. He is so energetic and enthusiastic about this topic, and he really knows his stuff. He's so knowledgeable that I really enjoyed listening to the audiobook. I got it from my library as I drove around town and ran errands. And then after I listened to the book, I decided to purchase it because I wanted to have like those specific chapters on my specific risks, kind of dog-eared and have notes taken on them, so I knew which foods I needed to be focusing on. I also recommend Dr. Neil Barnard's book called Your Body in Balance. That book just really helped me as a woman to know foods that I could be focusing on that would help balance my hormones and help me to hopefully have a nice transition into menopause. So take a really honest look at your family's history, and that will help you determine which extra foods you should be focusing on including in your daily and weekly eating routine.